Today we're going to be heading up to Manchester, where we're going to be staying in a hotel that is themed around football. The hotel is located right next to the home of Manchester United Football Club. Now what makes this hotel unique is that it has a full-size 5-a-side football pitch on the roof, as well as these suites that are based around Manchester United legends. But I'm not going to be staying in one of them because I am an Arsenal fan and there is not a chance I'm going to be giving them any more of my money than I have to. So I went with a standard room. And also, as part of my package at the hotel, I am going to go for a tour in the greatest stadium in English football. So let's go. We are outside a very rainy Old Trafford, where today we're going to be staying in this hotel right here called Hotel Football. So I'm excited to go check this one out. So come on. This lobby's tiny, but we're not here for the hotel lobby. We're here to go check out the room. So let's go. So we are in room 414, and the corridors, they're a bit boring. But if you look closely, well, there's a room 499 there, and then it goes 411. I'm assuming that's a special room. If you look closely on the wall, loads of different players. I quite like that. Okay, so let's show you around. So first things first, this is a Marriott hotel, and there are 3 different types of rooms here. We have got the entry standard room, and there is a 99 room, and there is a class of 92 room. So let's show you around. So first things first is your wallpaper at the back and your bed here. The beds are actually pretty comfortable. I quite like them. On the pillows, they've got little messages, dreaming of victory. And then this one says, dream big. This way you can get a stadium view. Again, they are exact same room as this, a stadium, but this is a lot more money. So I went with the cheaper version. Over this way, we have a phone. You can order room service in here, which they have quite a few different things, and it's expensive. Oh my God. Burger, a team burger is like almost 20 quid. Wow. In this drawer here, oh, it's not a drawer. That's very deceiving. I thought that was a drawer. In the fridge, you have Vimtos, you have some crisp bottles of water and Freddos. Oh my God, I remember Freddos. I remember when they used to be like, what, 5p? Now like 39p. And all of that in the fridge is complimentary, and you can get it topped up as well. And also inside the room, we have a hairdryer in this one, tray with all your teas and coffees, nice big mirror. You have an iron, you have hangers, a safe, and you also have laundry. How much is laundry? A t-shirt's £5. And in the bathroom we go. We have a nice large mirror. We have 2, oh look, the sofa's got a little football kit on it. That's quite cool. Some towels. That's a huge shower. Look at the size of this shower. Oh my God, you can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 people in this shower. That's a big shower. And then over here you have more towels, tissues, and look, like little football kits. That's quite cool, I like that. Basically, we're gonna go outside now and we're gonna have a look at the rest of the hotel, and then we're gonna head over to Old Trafford Stadium, where we have a stadium tour book. And there it is, as quick as that. There's our hotel, and there is a stadium right behind us. Now I've just got to try and figure out how we're going to find this tour, because I have no idea where I'm going. Museum and stadium tour this way. All right, so we're all checked in. We're given a lanyard. I'll go to the museum, although I don't think I have enough time to go around the museum because my tour leaves in like 10 minutes. So I'm going to quickly skim through it. So it's time to go on the tour, and I only got about 5-10 minutes in the museum, so I had to skim through everything. Basically, the rule of it is there is a load of trophies and a load of football shirts. Oh, and this go. So that stadium tour was fast paced, so I'm going to summarize everything we saw. And the main thing that we saw was the pitch and the stadium, which holds 75,000 people. Then they took us over to the home dressing room, where you got to take some pictures with some of your favorite Manchester United friends. I don't like any of them. And then they took us down the tunnel, which you could pick to go down the home or the away. And of course I picked to go down the away side. Next up, they took us to the dugouts, where you can take some photos. And then they took us inside to the press room. You know what, that was actually pretty good. Even though I'm not a Manchester United fan, I can appreciate football in itself, and I can appreciate that. That was actually really good. Everyone else behind me had an absolutely amazing time because they're Manchester United fans, and I was the only non-Manchester United fan there, so I felt a bit awkward because of, yeah, the man let everybody know. Hi, could I do a room service, please? Could I get the Italian playmaker, please? Thank you so much. Well, that didn't go to plan. It went all over the pizza box, but the pizza looks nice. Although, is it worth £19? Yeah, because it's that good. Oh, that pizza was needed. I loved everything about it. I love pesto, I love spinach and ricotta, I love honey, and I just absolutely love pizza. But I am now tired, and I shall see you in the morning. Morning. So, slept terrible, but now we're gonna head out and get some breakfast because I'm so hungry. So let's go. So there are two types of breakfasts you can get here. One is a continental one and one is hot food. Basically, they have a good selection of food, and I'm gonna go with the full English. I'm not gonna show you me eating it, but I'm gonna tuck in and enjoy. So our time at Hotel Football has come to an end, which is just behind me, just over there, and we are currently in the car park. Now, I didn't mention that the car park is an additional charge, and it is just basically opposite the hotel itself. As for the hotel itself, I think it was actually a really nice hotel. It's a 4-star hotel. I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 5. The food was great, the rooms were nice. Although I didn't sleep too well, I don't think that's anything to do with the hotel. I think that was just me. And yeah, you're right next to Old Trafford. So if you're staying here on match day, or you just wanna come and do a stadium tour like I did last night, it's the perfect hotel for you. Although if you didn't want to, there is a Premier Inn literally right opposite it. So if you like this video, please drop it a like and subscribe for more content, because as I say all the time, we have some more unique hotels coming every single week. So yeah,